If you've ever needed quick access to a 2.5-inch SATA SSD or HDD, this USB 3.0 to SATA adapter cable is exactly what you want. It lets you connect your solid-state or hard disk drive directly to your laptop or desktop without any hassle. Whether you're backing up files, creating disk images, or recovering data, this adapter makes the process smooth and straightforward. What sets this adapter apart is its impressive speed. Supporting USB 3.0 transfer rates up to 5 gigabits per second, it delivers fast data movement that saves you time. Even better, when paired with a computer that supports UASP, you can experience transfer speeds up to 70% faster than traditional USB 3.0 connections. That means less waiting and more doing. Portability is another big plus. This hard drive USB adapter cable is compact and lightweight, slipping easily into your laptop bag. Plus, it requires no external power source, so you can connect and transfer files anywhere without worrying about carrying extra chargers or adapters. It's a truly plug-and-play solution. One of the biggest time savers here is the ability to swap drives without installing them inside an enclosure. If you work with multiple drives or need to move data between devices often, this cable streamlines the process. Just plug your SATA drive into the adapter, connect it to your USB-A port, and start transferring immediately. This product isn't just for casual users, it's built with IT professionals in mind. Backed by a 2-year warranty and supported by free lifetime technical assistance available 24 hours a day, 5 days a week in multiple languages, it's a reliable choice for anyone who depends on quick, stable data access. A few users from the United States have praised this adapter for its reliability. They note that it works well, especially when used with devices powered by USB. However, it's important to remember that USB ports have limited power output. So, high-power devices like some disk drives may not turn on without additional power. Before buying, it's wise to ensure your drive can operate over USB power. Most modern, quality SATA drives will work seamlessly with this adapter, but some older or specialized devices might not. Testing with a lower power device first can help confirm compatibility. If your device is compatible, this adapter cable offers a hassle-free way to access your SATA drives. It eliminates the need for bulky enclosures or complicated setups, making it ideal for quick data transfers and backups on the go. The adapter's USB-A connection means it's compatible with a wide range of laptops and desktops. This broad compatibility makes it a versatile tool whether you're at home, in the office, or traveling between locations. Using this cable, you get a straightforward, no-fuss solution to connect your SATA drives. It's especially useful when you need to recover data or clone drives without opening up your computer or investing in expensive docking stations. The compact design also means less clutter on your desk. No tangled cables or extra power bricks, just plug in and go. This simplicity is a major benefit for IT pros and casual users alike. If you're looking to expand your storage or perform quick backups, this adapter helps you do it faster and easier. Its fast transfer speeds and plug-and-play setup mean you spend less time waiting and more time working. Worth a look if you need a reliable SATA to USB connection that's both portable and efficient. It's a practical tool that fits neatly into any tech toolkit, especially for those juggling multiple drives or working remotely. The 2-year warranty and lifetime technical support add peace of mind. You're not just buying a cable, you're investing in a product designed to support your data needs reliably over time. In short, this USB 3.0 to SATA adapter cable offers a convenient way to access your 2.5-inch SATA drives quickly, with impressive transfer speeds and no external power required. It's built for real-world use and backed by solid support. If that's you, someone who needs fast, easy access to SATA SSDs or HDDs, this adapter is worth considering. Try it when you're ready to simplify your data transfers and backups. Don't let complicated setups slow you down. With this adapter, you get what matters: fast, reliable connection, portability, and support when you need it most. Ultimately, this USB 3.0 to SATA adapter cable is a smart choice for anyone looking to maximize their drive's accessibility without extra bulk or fuss. It's a small investment that delivers big convenience.